Hey everyone, I have a really important message. So parasites are everywhere on this planet and every living organism has it. And also everyone has heavy metals, toxins in them. So we should all do detoxing and cleansing right away. And parasites are called parasites because they successfully avoid being detected and killed. We cannot find them. They are smarter than just to reveal themselves. Maybe some of the large ones hanging out in the colon, but the rest will be hiding deep into our tissues. They burrow themselves into your tissues. So if you trying to get rid of them with only, let's say, ivermectin, you're risking for them to move into another organ and go deeper as well, and might create cancer there. So you need to make proper cleanse, and it's crucial to start right away. So don't just disturb them, we need to blitz them. So there are three types of these parasites: worms, protozoa, and entamoeba. Okay, I'm not a professional, so please consult your doctor about this. So for worms, you need Ivermectin, Praziquantel, Pyrantel Pamoate, and either you can use Mebendazole or you use Fenbenzadole. These two are in the same group called benzimidazoles. Okay, so this is for worms. For the next one, protozoa, which is single cell organisms, you use Tinidazole. It's like metronidazole, the same group, and both kills protozoa. And for the third one, entamoeba, which is another type of protozoa, use ivermectin and one of the either Menben or Fenben, so one of the benzimidazole group type, and Praziquantel, or that one sometimes can be replaced by Niclosamide, and add Tinidazole and add Nystatin, and or you can use Fluconazole. So I will add these to the comments, and there will be no misunderstandings about the names. And there is a website called pancur.com where you can get most of these. Use them for 3 weeks on, 1 week off. 3 weeks on, 1 week off. 3 weeks on, 1 week off. So it's really easy to remember. And just talk about the doses with your doctor, but look into it and get them now, because it's crucial to buy them until they are available. It's really hard to get ivermectin in Europe apparently, so we need to buy them as soon as possible. So also look up my other video about ivermectin and Fenben, Menben I did previously about dosages for cancer patients. See you in the next one.